The right lighting can change your life in ways you might not have thought of. Whether you want to work more productively from home, get a better night's sleep, or just feel a little safer at night, the right lighting can make a huge difference. Here are 3 ways to give your home's lighting a major upgrade. Bad lighting can cause fatigue, headaches, eye strain, and definitely make working from home a lot more challenging. The right task lighting can help you boost focus and productivity so you can get things done and punch out a lot faster. A lot of our nighttime habits can mess with our body's ability to wind down and go to bed. Bright lights, TV, and technology use can make it hard for us to go to bed, which can really wreak havoc on the following day. Dimming the lights and staying away from technology before bed can help you get a better night's sleep. Your home can do a lot to help you feel safer when you're home alone. Exterior lights can be scheduled to turn on when the sun sets, making your home more brightly lit at night and making burglars think twice. Inside, lamps can be scheduled to turn on and off so that it looks like you're awake even after you've gone to bed. You can also set things up so that when someone rings your doorbell, your lights can automatically turn on to brighten the front porch. Legrand's smart lighting system has been created to get along with a lot of the devices you might already have, taking the headache out of creating a smart home. It's easy for a professional to install and easy for you to control single lights, group lights, or schedule lights for different times of day, all from the Legrand Smart Lights app on your mobile device. Now upgrading your home and your life is as easy as flipping a switch.